The mid-surface feature allows the creation of surface bodies that are midway between existing solid body faces. The resulting surface bodies have a thickness property which defines the thickness that a surface body represents. The faces can be manually selected, or an automatic mode allows you to set a thickness range and then automatically detect matching face pairs. Kindly like and subscribe to MR CFD channel and tap the bell to get new video updates. The joint feature is a tool used to create joints between different geometries of different bodies together so that their contact regions will be treated as shared topology when meshed in the ANSYS mechanical application. The feature actually takes two or more geometries, at least one should belong to a surface body, as input. Selected geometry will be imprinted on each other's as per requirement. There is no restriction on the states of the bodies you select. Both active and frozen body selections are permitted. The shared topology property allows you to control the behavior of the feature. To benefit from MR CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mrcfd.com and contact us via info@mrcfd.com.